Okay, so let us try to solve this question using the way of generalizing options. Okay, so the question is a function gx is 2x plus 3. Also, this g and x equal to g of g n minus 1x. This n is greater than 1. Find the value of g 998. Okay, so now our question is we have to determine the value of g 998 at x equal to 1. Okay, so if we suppose that 998 is n, okay, just to generalize options, so option A will be what? 2 to the power n plus 1 minus 3. Now option B will be 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 3. Option C will be 2 to the power n plus 2 minus 2 to the power n, because 998 is n only, minus 1. Okay, now the fourth option is not visible, so I've taken 3 only. Okay, so let us start. Now what we'll do is, since n is greater than 1, so let us take value of n to be 2. Okay, so g2x. Okay, so basically here we will have g2x. Okay, g2x. Later on we'll put x equal to 1. g2x will be what? G times of n minus 1 means g1x, so simply gx. Okay, now we know that gx is what? Gx is 2x plus 3, so g times of 2x plus 3. Now again we have to put, since we know that gx equal to 2x plus 3, right? So g 2x by 3 will be what? In place of x, again we have to put this complete value, so that will be 2 into, in place of the x we'll put this 2 times of 2x plus 3 and plus 3. Okay, so this is the value of g2x. Okay, now g21 will be what? Will be just 1, 3 to 5, 5 to 10, 1, 13. Okay, 13. So g21 is 13. Now we have to put in the options and let's check which option will give us that. Okay, now value of n is 2 for us. We have taken n equal to 2, right? N equal to 2 we have taken. So n we have to 2 we have taken. First option 2 to the power 3 minus 3. So 2 to 4 to 8, 8 minus 3, 5. 5 is not equal to 13. So this option is discarded. Second option 2 to the power n plus 2 means 2 plus 2 4 minus 3. So 2 to 4, 4 4 16, 16 minus 3 13, equal to 13, satisfied. Okay, so this option can be correct. Okay, third option 2 to the power n is 2, so 4 minus 2 to the power 2 minus 1, so 16 minus 4 is 12, 12 minus 1 is 11, so 11 is not equal to 13. So this option is also discarded. Ultimately our answer is option B. Okay.